Hey guys, morning. We got in on a trade just now at 81. I took the trade at 81. We sold out two micros at 81 using 14 point stop loss, 1 to 1 and 2 to 1 TPs. So yeah, within the range, within the kill zone, I'll show you why we took the trade. And so 80 is your target entry if you're looking for the end of our sell 80 to 84s. So you're looking at 80 to 82s. You can call off 14 to 15 point stop today. Of the point of control from Thursday, we're looking at the fade. So we did have our aggressive entry and the conservative entry is at 85. You can see where we set and take profits using manual settings for take profits today. Show you the reason why we're looking at the point of control from Thursday. Kill zone is built. Primaries, secondaries are working already on the order. So trade small, trade smart as per usual. So we just do a review of what we looked at last night. So we got a small bite on the open right here. We were willing to take some risk on the open here with a single. Didn't quite make it a secondary. We will stop the secondary. And here is the reason why we're looking to get enough that. We're looking at the deviation where we closed, where the market open. You can see at 14 to 15 points now on the stop. The implied volatility is still high. Yeah, of course we have to adjust for the volatility. If you could only trade one contract off the micro, trade one contract. Make sure you trade your plan your trade, use your stops, roll your stops as appropriate. If you're looking for smaller edges, you may be able to take smaller edges. Just make sure that you manage your trade. Probable entry points, look at that as your one deviation to the upside, and we have the POC sitting right out there. You can see where the high is at 82.5. So if your average entry is 82.5 to 83, you may have a reasonable entry at that point and manage your TPs out. Pull a scalper on the mini and waiting for the proper entry on the micros is our live workout. Need to go 35-minute chart, be active on. So if you're aggressive, look at 80s for your entry. You want to see tap 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 and here using tight stops, use very tight stops on the market itself. We already in the market here. Or one out of the two contracts, we have one sitting at 81, one sitting at 85.
Order filled.
Look for your end of hour to engage the market also. Data wise, so clip there, filter number right there at 80. Up the moment, she's okay, zone, build your zones. Feeling a little bit under the weather. Did a lot of work home yesterday. Made the last push before we go on total lockdown. Made some adjustments early this morning on Tesla, so just trade small, trade smart. Unity was up last night. Major news is, let's see what. Yeah, this is wobbly. This ding 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 ding. Oh, I forgot to open chat box. Not talking mode. I mean, chatting mode this morning. Right, we don't have anything major coming in news-wise, so just have your ears to the ground for normal news in the market. Yeah, pending home sales. Germany might be in trouble. Yes, we are not chasing bears, we are day traders. We trade what we see. Smart. I guess we're using structures, the TP levels within the zone. Looking for point a hole. Clip on TP1, 14 to 15 points. Our TP is at 14 points. We're trying to make some small adjustments to deal with the amount of volatility and then with secondaries. As our $93 open was 53.25. You can see where the volume was on the open as the opening kick. Previous sniping trades, make sure you snipe and snipe well. We'll be manually rolling this stuff. If possible, once this TP1 clears. Yeah, everything goes baggy on my side also. Try and check. What's up, dudes? Make sure and trade only what you see. Don't trade what you want. Following on a few calculations in the market. Jordan, need my coffee. It's late and I still need coffee. So I'll just leave the chat running. Coffee, 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 coffee. Yeah. Always follow the order flow, plan your trade your plan, how you're treating your trade. It's money you're dealing with. I just got filled on the live at 66.5 on my end.
Order filled.
On my TP1. Alright, roll stops. Start to manage through the trade. Your possible exits. Primary exit is here at 60 and 53. We're looking to see how far we can trail it down. Going stops to 90. So we guarantee yourself 4 points. And then start to roll stops based on their 5-minute bar closings. This. Boom, 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 boom. You can see that big gap down last night. I did not participate. I just participated right there. We had some booking orders on. One booking order on how many? I made enough money off of that for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Off of that many. We just had a hunch, I had a feeling of what we was gonna do. Usually sell stuff. We sell stuff pretty well on the return. As it goes through, got the alert. That was weekend last night doing. What is with you on this connection? Partially on the hardline line, but my live chat's not skipping. Don't know why this is skipping. You can see where most of your volume is. It's in the octave. Look for the reaction. Look for your positions, where you want the positions to be. If you haven't seen Invisible Man, I advise you to watch it. Pretty good movie. Pretty good movie. You can see I have a feature profile from so far for the day. which is the uptrend move. Make sure you know what time of day you're trading. I think we have an hour and a half before London closes. I mean, half an hour. I forget times I adjusted again. Keep forgetting times I adjusted. Looking for that half a deviation move for a secondary goes on the live. Always keep eye out on your delta. Anything more on delta than 2000 is the order flow trigger. Let's move over stop to engage this market, double engage this market right here. Let's take this stop early and then monitor the market again. We don't want to get bounced against us. You can see exactly where my stops are placed. What is what wrong with you, internet? What is wrong with you? Looking at the delta on the side, making sure. If anybody on live using top step, tell me if your stuff buggy. My ninja is working pretty fine. You can see what are we looking at? Where is my global source here? Let me remove this one. I moved all of my stuff. Move up a clean shot. I want to see that London close, that how tight we stop. Take the London close trade. If possible, take a tight stop here, take the London close trade. Why?